Hey everybody, so this is just a real quick video to help you out if you have a Whirlpool Hybrid Care dryer and you're getting an error LOC or maybe an error LC. So this is actually not an error, it's just a code. And so you have a control lock and it is telling you that that control lock is enabled. So again, an LOC or an LC error code is just indicating to you that the control lock is enabled. So to undo this, all you need to do is to touch and hold control lock for 3 seconds to unload the control, to unlock the controls of the dryer. And during this time, when you push on that control lock, you'll see the LED display will count down 3, 2, 1, and then when the control lock is disabled, the LED display will also clear. So anyways, I hope that answered your question and you're able to get the LOC or the LC code off of your screen, and have a great day.